Question 1. The electrostatic potential at a point in an electrostatic field is equal to. The choices are A. The work necessary to bring any positive charge from infinity to the point of consideration. B. The work necessary to bring any positive charge from point of consideration to infinity. C. The work necessary to bring unit positive charge from infinity to point of consideration. And D. The work necessary to bring unit positive charge from origin to the point of consideration. The correct answer is option C. The work necessary to bring unit positive charge from infinity to point of consideration. Question 2. Two long parallel wires carry identical electric currents in the same direction. Then they will. The choices are A. Repel each other. B. Attract each other. C. Experience no attraction or repulsion. And D. Get inclined with respect to each other. The correct answer is option B. Attract each other. Question 3. A cylindrical bar magnet is kept along the axis of a circular coil. If the magnet is rotated about its axis, then the choices are A. A current will be induced in the coil. B. No current will be induced in the coil. C. An EMF will be induced in the coil. And D. Both an EMF and a current will be induced in the coil. The correct answer is option B. No current will be induced in the coil. Question 4. The speed of sound in a gas at NTP is 300 meters per second. If the pressure increases 4 times without change of temperature, the velocity of sound will be. The choices are A. 300 meters per second, B. 150 meters per second, C. 600 meters per second, and D. 1200 meters per second. The correct answer is option A. 300 meters per second. Question 5. Two black bodies are maintained at 27 degrees Celsius and 927 degrees Celsius respectively. What will be the ratio of the radiation emitted by them? The choices are A. 1:4, B. 1:16, C. 1:64, and D. 1:256. The correct answer is option D. 1:256. Question 6. A plane is flying horizontally at 98 meters per second and releases an object which reaches the ground in 10 seconds. Acceleration due to gravity of the Earth is 9.8 meters per second square. The angle made by the object while hitting the ground is. The choices are A. 55 degrees, B. 45 degrees, C. 60 degrees, and D. 0 degrees. The correct answer is option B. 45 degrees. Question 7. A body dropped from the top of a tower covers a distance 7h in the last second of its journey, where h is the distance covered in the first second. How much time does it take to reach the ground from the top of the tower? The choices are A. 3 seconds, B. 4 seconds, C. 5 seconds, and D. 6 seconds. The correct answer is option B. 4 seconds. Question 8. When a body moves in a circular path, no work is done by the centripetal force since. The choices are A. There is no net force, B. There is no displacement, C. Force is always away from the center, and D. Force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. The correct answer is option D. Force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Question 9. Light year is the unit of. The choices are A. Distance, B. Time, C. Frequency, and D. Velocity. The correct answer is option A. Distance. Question 10. When light travels from glass to air, there will be no change in its. The choices are A. Wavelength, B. Frequency, C. Velocity, and D. Amplitude. The correct answer is option B. Frequency. Question 11. What is the name of the species with electronic configuration 1s², 2s2 2p6, 3s2 3p6, 3d 9? The choices are A. Metallic cation, B. Metal, C. Non-metal, and D. Non-metal anion. The correct answer is option A. Metallic cation. Question 12. The number of neutrons in dipositive zinc ion Zn2+, with mass number 70 is. The choices are A. 30, B. 35, C. 40, and D. 45. The correct answer is option C. 40. Question 13. How many electrons can fit in an orbital for which n equals 3 and L equals 1? The choices are A. 4, B. 6, C. 8, and D. 10. The correct answer is option B. 6. Question 14. How many grams of oxygen gas will be needed for complete combustion of 2 moles of acetylene? The choices are A. 80 gram, B. 40 gram, C. 160 gram, and D. 320 gram. The correct answer is option C. 160 gram. Question 15. A bivalent metal has equivalent mass 12. Molecular mass of its oxide will be? The choices are A. 24, B. 32, C. 36, and D. 40. The correct answer is option D. 40. Question 16. Which of the non-metals does not react with oxygen? The choices are A. Sulfur, B. Iodine, C. Carbon, and D. Phosphorus. The correct answer is option B. Iodine. Question 17. The correct order of electron affinities of halogens is? The choices are A. F greater than Cl greater than Br greater than I, B. I greater than Br greater than Cl greater than F, C. Cl greater than F greater than I greater than Br, and D. Cl greater than F greater than Br greater than I. The correct answer is option D. Cl greater than F greater than Br greater than I. Question 18. Which one of the following is a chemical change? The choices are A. Change of water to ice, B. Increase of height of a tree, C. Rusting of iron, and D. Mixture of iron dust and sand. The correct answer is option C. Rusting of iron. Question 19. Which of the following reactions is called displacement reaction? The choices are A. C plus O2 gives CO2, B. CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2, C. 2SO2 plus O2 gives 2SO3, and D. CuSO4 plus Fe gives FeSO4 plus Cu. The correct answer is option D. CuSO4 plus Fe gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Question 20. Which one of the following hydrocarbons gives addition reaction? The choices are A. CH4, B. C2H6, C. C3H6, and D. C3H8. The correct answer is option C. C3H6.